Hello Xtreme fans, I'm Scott with Xtreme Auto Repair again. Have a customer here with a 1993 Toyota Corolla, little 4-cylinder, complaining no air condition. He was 5 ounces low on Freon, so I charged him up. His AC compressor clutch was not engaged right there. I had to check it out. We got the relay right here. We have power coming in right here on the control side, and on the load side going here to the input of the compressor clutch, and the ground circuit is fed through this AC amplifier, which is underneath the dash. So the first thing I did is come over here with the car running and check this wire right here, which indeed he didn't have power on. Come over here, this is the magnetic clutch relay for the AC compressor. I pull the relay out. What I had was no power here. I had ground here going to the compressor, but I had no control ground. So I had to locate my powers and figure out where all my powers were coming from. From there, I go up underneath the dash, way in the corner here, and this little fuse, that 15 amp fuse right there, was blown. So I changed it out. I got power on my clutch side, but I still didn't have control. So from there, I had to remove the underside of the dash, go to his AC amplifier right here. The control side would be this pin 9. Right there, the blue black wire, which is pin 9. I'll show you on the diagram. That's the ground signal that goes to the relay to activate it and turn on the clutch. Over here, ground comes right there on the blue black wire. Pin 9 travels across and goes up to the control side of the relay. Well, I was not getting ground signal. Then I had ground that's supposed to come all the way to pin 5 when I tested on the AC switch. Actually, I'm supposed to have power coming there, I'm sorry. Power on pin 5. And that's my test there. 5 and ground, AC switch on. I had 0 volts, and I should have 10 to 14 volts. So I go back to the car and find out why I didn't have power on pin 5. And what I did, I removed his instrument cluster here, and I found his AC switch was really loose right there. And I pulled everything out. They had a wire hanging down up in there. I pushed that wire up, and I was able to push the switch in with the car on. This thing was going nothing. Once when I pushed the switch in all the way and then turned it on, I immediately had power. Crank up the car, And now coming out through the vents, I have cold air. So he had a blown fuse, 5 ounces low on Freon, and his AC switch was not plugged in all the way. He must have been messing with his aftermarket radio right here, his little Pioneer system. But everything's working now, and the compressor is running. Blowing cold.